Say hi. I give him kiss the camera. I give impeccable roadhead. What a lovely day to get shots. He has hostages. Save them. Who does? You do. No. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Barbecue sauce on my titties.
All the way down on the brightness last time, but
No, I just turned it down. So left? Question mark?
okay.
I have the wrong armband on. Tell me. Put it on quickly before I get friendly fired.
What do you want?
Just around my bicep. Around my huge 32-inch biceps.
Barely fit.
I know, because I'm just so big. So left? Question mark?
Okay, that's fine.
I know I said left, but this isn't really left.
I know.
Okay, got it. I try to come around. Is that guy green? He's good now. Hi.
Hello.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications, leave a comment. If this is your first time...
Huh? Did you just get shot? Hey, you dropped your butt pad.
I don't need it.
You dropped your ass.
I don't need it.
Hey, you dropped your pocket.
I'm gonna carry like a whole Tupperware of like spaghetti in my dump pouch one day and just like throw it at people. Okay, I'll follow you.
Okay, real right.
Okay, I'm with you.
Fake right?
Not fake right.
Holy crap, dude. Literally gonna die. Hi, dude. Anybody? I think so. Yeah, I think Lee's gonna die.
I'm leading you guys forward and you're all trying.
And we're gonna die!
7, 8, 9, 10. Welcome back.
Not a problem. Right in front! I am such a bad spot here. Ah!
Go. Careful, there's one in there. Oh, I'm sorry, children. Don't repeat what I said. I'm a heathen.
I'm hit.
Are you guys kidding me? Can I get a chance to shoot people, please? I need to shoot a shot. Go.
God damn. Guy. How's it going? Pretty good. My butt's kind of wet. Alright, that's 30 seconds. Ugh. Damn, she's dirty.
Bruh.
Hi. Hi.
No, there's one right there. Just aim the gun and shoot at him.
What? What? No, I'm not going to you guys. I will wait my 15 more seconds, and I'll come back for you. Brother, are you dead?
No, I'm not dead. I'm dead.
Okay. Completely out?
Yeah.
Just give it back to me later, alright?
I'm so sorry. Oh no.
Yeah. Happened.
No. We only have one basketball.
Orange. I'm scared. I'm gonna lean out. I don't see anything. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm so dead. Yep. Oh.
That was a trade.
Right in the stomach. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Ow! Woo! I am injured. Oh, I just got shot in the neck. Woo! Hi, dude.
His vest broken.
Because it can't contain all that mass.
I know, right?
Bang, bang! Bang, bang! Don't make me shoot you.
Oh,
Hit! Oh my goodness, look at Lee. Look at him. Look at that absolute unit of a man right there. He's beautiful. So how come I never get any blowjobs, huh? You could change that. Oh, we're gonna die one. They're there. They're there. Straight down.
how many?
One, and also one to the right.
Hey, me, I'm going.
Hey, what's happening? I'm trying to flank him. Oh my god, he's dead. Shoot him. One handing this. Hi, dude. Are you a squid or are you game? Where's your helmet?
Oh crap. We don't need a helmet today.
Hi, dude. Whoop, almost got it. Oh, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh.
Watching old person try to do anything.
I'm looking at the goods right now. Yeah. Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth.
She's mine, wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past like rain.